Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your TikTok account permanently. First, open your TikTok application and go to your profile page. Look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is your main menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy to begin the process. It's a straightforward path to manage your account. Once you are in Settings and Privacy, you need to locate the Account section. This area is specifically dedicated to all your profile management tools, including the crucial deletion option. Tapping on Account will reveal several distinct options for controlling your user data. It's an important step towards securing your digital presence and managing your information. Within the account settings, you will see an option labeled Deactivate or Delete Account. TikTok provides a choice between a temporary deactivation and permanent deletion. To proceed with full removal, make sure to select the Delete Account Permanently option. This choice initiates the final steps for account removal. Before confirming, TikTok presents crucial information about what happens to your data upon deletion. Read this thoroughly to understand the implications. You will then need to confirm your decision to proceed. Remember, there's a 30-day window to recover your account if you change your mind, offering a small grace period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.